Hi, this is James Sepulveda from San Diego Winds with a quick message for you about the Ryan Anthony Music Project. If you haven't heard of the Ryan Anthony Music Project yet, or we're calling it RAMP for short, it's a 4-day professional learning event that's presented by the San Diego Winds and Yamaha. It's on the campus of Point Loma Nazarene University, and the dates for this year are Tuesday, July 19th through Friday, July 22nd. Those 4 days are going to be a special gathering of music educators that will inspire you, teach you some new tricks to try in the classroom, and introduce you to some new friends and colleagues. There are 3 big reasons we think you want to be there. The first is we have a star-studded lineup of presenters, clinicians, and performers, including folks like Jens Lindemann, Tony Maiello, Gary Hill, John Carnahan, Travis Cross, Marcia Neal. There's too many to name. If you want to see the full lineup, you can visit sdwinds.org/ramp, and you'll see all these wonderful people, and you'll realize you don't want to miss out on this. These are Midwest caliber sessions, and they're right in your own backyard. We promise you're going to learn a ton. The second thing is you're going to meet a bunch of new colleagues and make new friends, because RAMP takes place during the week of the San Diego Summer Music Institute. And between the RAMP presenters and just the faculty of SDSMI alone, we're talking about 50 plus professional musicians and music educators. And that's not even counting your fellow RAMP attendees. RAMP is going to be a who's who gathering of musicians from the San Diego Symphony, top freelancers in town, faculty from local colleges and universities, and many, if not most, of the most respected music educators in the area. Being at RAMP means being able to hang out with this amazing group of people, network, and make some new friends. The third thing is, for this year, it's absolutely free for you to attend. We're so excited to share this week of RAMP with you that we're offering you the chance to attend without worrying about paying for it. So it's free for you. When you register, just choose the option at the end that says request funding from my district, and we will take care of getting it paid for. We don't want money to be the reason you don't take part in this. It is our hope that RAMP becomes this annual gathering where talented music educators who are eager to improve their craft get together with world-class clinicians, musicians, and conductors to have this amazing experience. By attending this year, you're helping us to make that vision a reality. So come, bring a friend, tell a colleague, visit sdwinds.org/ramp for more information. We look forward to seeing you on Tuesday, July 19th.